The use of geothermal energy is to bring energy that is stored within the earth. So in order to do this, you need to have a dormant or active volcano in which you can drill and use energy from, or you need a hot spring or a fumarole. So when you do this, you drill into these areas, and you essentially use clean water and pump it into the area, and the steam that is caused from the intense heat and the clean water will be brought back up and will be used to create energy. So essentially, geothermal energy is, as far as experts can see, is the next limitless power source because they don't see it ever running out, unlike oil or coal. And they believe it could help lower developed countries be more caught up with the world. So some issues with geothermal energy, though, is that if you use a volcano for it, it could potentially have an eruption. Now, while there aren't very many instances of this, it has happened. So, aside from that, with geothermal energy, you have to pump in clean water to create the steam. Now, a lot of the time when you use a hot spring, there's already groundwater in there. And because our definition of clean water typically has heavy metals in it or minerals or whatever, it can contaminate the groundwater, which will lessen the amount of clean water that we have on Earth. Another potential issue is that when steam becomes so high in pressure that it can have a borehole blowout, which will actually stop the flow of energy and turbines will stop spinning. From this, it will take a long time to actually rebuild the entire system. Finally, another issue is earthquakes. Regardless of where you drill, they have a potential power to create earthquakes due to you drilling into the earth, and you never know what you're exactly going to hit. So that is geothermal energy. And my question to you is, identify a positive or negative effect of geothermal energy and state whether or not you believe it should be used more widely in the world or within the US and why.